Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Waving Hand. Today we're breaking down one of the most life-changing books ever written on the mind, manifestation, and inner power, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book has helped millions of people around the world transform their lives, from achieving success and better health to attracting love and abundance. And in this video, I'll walk you through the key principles of the book, explain them with real-life examples, and give you practical steps to start using the power of your subconscious mind today. So, if you've ever wondered how your thoughts create your reality, stay tuned. This is going to be powerful. Part 1. Two minds within you. Dr. Joseph Murphy explains that we have two levels of mind. 1. The conscious mind, the part of you that thinks, analyzes, plans, makes decisions. It's logical and active. 2. The subconscious mind, the part that stores your beliefs, habits, memories, emotions, and controls your body's automatic functions. Here's the kicker. Backhand index pointing right, your subconscious mind accepts whatever you repeatedly tell it, whether it's true or not. It doesn't argue. It doesn't reason. It just takes in suggestions and then works day and night to make them real in your life. So, if you constantly feed it fear, doubt, and negativity, guess what? That's what you'll attract. But if you feed it faith, confidence, and positive images, your subconscious will create circumstances that reflect that. Part 2. Lesson 1. Your thoughts shape your reality. One of the central teachings of the book is this. You become what you think about most of the time. Every thought is like a seed. When you plant it in your subconscious, it grows and produces results in your life. For example, if you constantly think, I never have enough money, your subconscious makes sure you experience lack. If you affirm, I am worthy of wealth and abundance, your subconscious attracts opportunities and ideas to make that a reality. This is why affirmations, visualization, and positive self-talk are so powerful. They're the food you're feeding your subconscious. Part 3. Lesson 2. The subconscious works through belief. The subconscious responds best to belief. Dr. Murphy shares powerful stories of people who healed themselves, found jobs, or achieved goals simply because they believed it was possible. Backhand index pointing right, for instance. One man cured himself of a terminal illness by repeatedly affirming and visualizing perfect health until his subconscious accepted it, and his body followed. The science backs this up. Think about the placebo effect. Patients heal simply because they believe the treatment works, even when it's just a sugar pill. So the key isn't just repeating words, it's feeling and believing them to be true. Part 4. Lesson 3. The power of visualization. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. When you visualize something with emotion, your subconscious accepts it as reality and begins working to manifest it. That's why top athletes, entrepreneurs, and performers use visualization every single day. Here's a practical tip from the book. Before you sleep, visualize your desired outcome as if it's already real. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. Your subconscious, active during sleep, will start working to align reality with that image. Visual idea. Someone visualizing success, then cut to real-world success happening. Part 5. Lesson 4. Healing power of the subconscious. One of the most inspiring parts of the book is the healing stories. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious controls the functions of your body, heartbeat, digestion, cell repair. When you hold thoughts of harmony, health, and peace, your subconscious sends healing energy throughout your body. For example, if you constantly say, I am healthy, every cell in my body vibrates with vitality. Your subconscious works to make it true. But if you repeat, I'm always sick, I never feel good, your body responds to that too. This shows how crucial it is to speak positively about your health. Part 6. Lesson 5. The Law of Attraction in Action. Long before The Secret made it popular, Dr. Murphy explained that your subconscious mind attracts what you focus on. Backhand index pointing right. If you focus on abundance, you attract abundance. Backhand index pointing right. If you focus on problems, you attract more problems. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. So, if you want to change your life, start by changing your thoughts and inner beliefs. Part 7. Lesson 6. Sleep and the Subconscious. Here's something fascinating. The moments before you fall asleep are golden. Why? Because in that drowsy state, your conscious mind relaxes and your subconscious is most open to suggestions. That's why Dr. Murphy recommends repeating positive affirmations or visualizing your goals just before sleep. For example, if you want success, say, "I am blessed. I am successful. Opportunities come to me easily." If you want healing, say, "I am whole, healthy, and strong." Then drift into sleep and let your subconscious get to work. Part 8. Lesson 7. Forgiveness and Harmony. Another big theme in the book is the power of forgiveness. Holding on to anger, resentment, or grudges fills your subconscious with negativity. That negativity then spills into your life, creating more suffering. Dr. Murphy says, to forgive is to set yourself free. By letting go of old hurts and filling your subconscious with love, peace, and compassion, you heal yourself and create space for blessings to flow in. Part 9. Practical Techniques to Use Daily. Okay, so how do you actually apply this book in your daily life? Here are some techniques. 1. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements daily. Example, I attract wealth and success. I'm healthy and strong. 3. Gratitude. Focus on what you already have. Gratitude programs your subconscious for abundance. 4. Nighttime programming. Repeat affirmations before bed. Your subconscious will absorb them overnight. 5. Forgiveness practice. Release resentment and fill your subconscious with peace. Final thoughts and takeaways. So what's the ultimate message of the power of your subconscious mind? Backhand index pointing right, your mind is a powerful magnet. Backhand index pointing right, whatever you plant in your subconscious, through thoughts, beliefs, and feelings, eventually shows up in your reality. Dr. Murphy's message is simple but profound. Change your thoughts, and you change your life. You already have the power inside you. All you need to do is direct it. All right, that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the power of your subconscious mind. Glowing star, if this inspired you, hit that thumbs up like button, subscribe for more book summaries and personal growth content, and share your favorite affirmation in the comments below. Remember, your subconscious mind is always working, so give it good seeds and watch your life blossom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Waving hand.